Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I know this is so very late, but better late than never. So this is my Halloween get ready with me, and Halloween slash homecoming was real fun. I decided to pop out. I was a Playboy bunny for Halloween, and it was just a nice breath of fresh air because I had been working my butt off this semester, trying to pass, trying to make sure I graduate. So yeah, it was a whole lot of fun. I wish I had some videos from it, but I was just too lit. So all products will be listed down below. It's pretty much a makeup tutorial. Get ready with me. You'll see my outfit at the end. So I hope y'all enjoy. Let me stop this video right here to let y'all know that I now have a podcast. So my podcast name is Pretty Girl Diaries, and it can be found on Spotify, Anchor, and Apple Podcast. And in this podcast, I'm just going to be talking about things that relate to me and things that I can do deep dives on and all that good stuff. Just a chill session with me that's not beauty related. So I would really appreciate it if you guys would go click the link in my description box and add me, follow me, and turn on your post notifications to get podcasts every single Wednesday. So back to the video. So this is what my outfit looked like. I feel like I looked more like a bottle girl than a Playboy bunny, but I was still fine and I was cold. I was freezing my butt off. But you see the makeup, you see the hair. Stop playing with me. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.